This is a Bitcoin update. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. A couple of days ago, in fact today is Wednesday right now, and last Friday I put out a video saying do not buy Bitcoin right here, and my goodness, I got some flack for it. You guys out there really need to learn how to read charts properly, because I got some flack for that. John, you don't know what you're talking about. You're full of shit. John, you don't know. No, technical analysis doesn't work in Bitcoin. It's based on supply and demand, and it's based on this and blah 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 and blah 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 and blah blah blah. You guys out there that obviously said things on that video, I responded to you by saying, hey, today Bitcoin was down $66, almost 10% in one day. One day. Now you guys are having a flack. You guys are having a go at me. You guys are pushing like that. All I do say, guys, is that you guys, I was saying do not buy Bitcoin at that time because it was the wrong time to buy Bitcoin. I never said anything bad about Bitcoin. And just because I've never traded Bitcoin in my life doesn't mean that I don't understand it. Everything works the same. Whether it's a Bitcoin chart or a stock chart or a Forex chart, it's all the same thing. Don't you get it? So when you see a big vertical move like Bitcoin had, and I put a video out on Friday saying do not buy Bitcoin up here because it's the worst time to buy, and you guys give me a bit of flack, or if you guys did buy it then, guess what? Now you're down 10% on the position. $66 on your position. And if people did listen to you guys out there that simply say, oh John, you don't understand, it's based on supply and demand and blah 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 and blah blah blah. Guys, I get really round up with you guys that don't understand how these markets work. And I put a video out last Friday saying do not buy Bitcoin here because we're likely to roll over. It is the worst time to buy Bitcoin. And you guys, this thing's gonna triple. This thing's gonna quadruple. This thing's, shut the hell up. Shut the hell up, will you? You guys have no idea what you're talking about. Seriously, no idea what you're talking about. If you learn how to read the market, this is not about me being right or wrong. This is about me helping the average trader do well in the markets. And for you guys who are saying, John, you don't understand, Bitcoin's going to keep going up because it's based on this and based on that and based on this. I don't care what it's based on. I don't care if it's based on supply and demand and blah, blah, blah and blah, blah, blah. All I'm saying, guys, and this is another update to show you, if you look what I did a video up here, and you can go back and check my archives. I said on Friday the 17th, where Bitcoin was up here and everyone was screaming about Bitcoin, I said in that video, do not buy Bitcoin up here because it's the worst investment decision you can do for your overall portfolio long term. You need to wait for a decent pullback, because a decent pullback is likely to happen. And guess what happened? 10% in one day, it went down. So for all you guys that say that technical analysis doesn't work in the market, how did I predict, or how did I have a major probability on my side that this market was going to pull back and pull back hard? Oh, I don't know. Bitcoin's based on nothing technical analysis. Technical analysis actually just showed me that. Understanding how the markets work showed me that. So for all you guys out there that are still thinking that Bitcoin was a good opportunity to buy up here, guess what? You are from up the top here to where we are right now, you are down what? 740 down to 670. What is that? You're going from there to there. I can't do my math here right now because it just down. Yeah, it's obviously it's down $66, basically $70 from the high. Guys, I'm doing this update now to show you that what I was saying back on the Friday the 17th wasn't just some bullshit opinion that I say, this is how the markets work, and I don't care what stock you're trading. And some of you guys are saying, John, you're full of shit. You have no idea what you're talking about. You never traded Bitcoin in your life. You don't understand how that market works. Really? Well, I think if you did buy it on Friday, you'd be very, very, very quiet on this video that I'm doing right now. I bet you're not even going to comment on this video I'm doing right now. Where are you? Where are all those, this thing's going to quadruple and blah, 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 all that sort of shit that you're talking about? Again, guys, this is not about me being right or wrong, but I did a video pointing out that Bitcoin was a bad time to buy at that time based on how the markets work. Teaching the beginner or the average trader how to become a much better trader in the markets. And you lunatics came out of the woodworks and started saying that I didn't know what I was talking about. I think you need to have a hard look in the mirror, because you don't know what you're talking about. Just because you may have bought it at 480 or 500 and the thing's now at 740, nothing goes straight up in a vertical move. And it's because and you guys just think the market just going to keep vertically going from an upside. You guys that do that, you guys are probably going to be losing overall, and you guys are probably going to be the, and guess what? If you guys didn't listen to me on Friday and you bought more on Friday, I think this guy has no what he's talking about. I'm going to buy more just to prove him wrong. You're probably going to be really, really, really quiet on this video. So when I put a video out saying this is a really bad time to buy Bitcoin, you need to buy Bitcoin on a big pullback, because right now we're likely to get at least a decent pullback. And someone asked me for the Fibonacci levels from the high to low. Fibonacci. We're looking for a retracement from down to. We're looking for a retracement. I reckon this is going to have a retracement to at least 640 down to 600, maybe even more. Bitcoin is likely to go down. So, guys, overall, you have to learn how to read these markets properly. Again, it's not about me being right or wrong. I know I repeated myself a couple of times, but this is not about saying, see, I told you I was right. No, it's nothing about that. I could have been wrong. But I was just saying that 80% of the time, 90% of the time, when something goes up that fast, you get a big smack pullback. And when people are buying at the top, like most people do, they generally get it wrong. And 20% of the time, guess what? You're going to be right. Trading is all about the probability of the game. And when I'm putting videos out there that help the average trader have more probability on their side, and you guys saying that you have no idea what I'm talking about, that don't understand Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not based on technicals and blah, 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 blah. Yeah. You know what? For you guys that didn't say that Bitcoin is not based on technicals, well, tell me what this is then. Let me actually bring up this here. Tell me what this is then. The market actually had a compressing up through there, and then guess what it was also doing? It was also compressing up through there. What is that? Oh, that's an ascending triangle. Oh, that's a technical analysis term, but technical analysis don't work on Bitcoin. Oh, what is this? This is a big breakout. That's a breakout with an ascending triangle. Oh, what is that? That's a bullish move. Oh, wait. Oh, hang on a minute. You know what? Technical analysis doesn't really work on Bitcoin, so I really shouldn't use Bitcoin. Come on, guys. Come on. Are you serious? Are you absolutely bloody serious about Bitcoin? So, guys, and if you are new to this channel and you are new to my work, don't take this as me being egotistic, because I'm not about me being right or wrong. I have losing trades as well too. But I'm putting these videos out to show you that how to actually have your odds on your side even more. And if you listen to lunatics like you did on that Friday video, when I said do not buy Bitcoin, I didn't say do not buy Bitcoin at all. No, some of you guys thought I said that. No, if you want to buy Bitcoin, and I even did a second market update video, if you want to buy Bitcoin, I said wait for a big pullback, because we're likely to get that. 80 to 90% of the time, you're going to get a big pullback after a big run like this. And you can see already it's down almost 10% in one day. So guys, this is how you read the markets. Technical analysis work. And I said you can see a bubble a mile away. And this is not a massive bubble. This was just a big bubble. This was just a short-term bubble. And we're likely to see a short-term run-up. And we're likely to see a short-term pullback as well too. So that's basically what is going on here. So guys, overall, if you are new to the channel or you are trying to learn to become a much better trader, use this technique in helping you become a much better trader. Do not buy Bitcoin up here where I said on Friday and I got hammered for it. What you want to do is you want to wait for a pullback because you have a much better chance of becoming a successful trader in the long run. And if you keep buying markets when the market's already taking off, especially like 60%, 70% like Bitcoin did, I guarantee you're going to be kicked out of the market within a very short period of time. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.